Assalamualaikum to Madam Zuria. My name is Dr. Intan Showana and today I will present about my profiling report. Okay, in this course, I required to find a job in the crowdsourcing platform and I registered in a 5 crowdsourcing platform which is Freelancer, Guru, People Per Hour, LinkedIn and also Upwork. Okay, so the first one is I have to register as a freelancer. The first crowdsourcing platform that I registered is Freelancer. In order to bid for a job or a contest, after created an account in the Freelancer, then I will search for a job or a contest. In Freelancer, you need to search for a job or contest by read the requirement first, and then you can understand what the employer wants. And then after that, for the contest, you also need to submit your sample of work in order to convince the employer why you enter the contest. I can say that bidding in the freelancer is much more easier as it's not the complicated other the crowdsourcing platform. Okay, I proceed in Upwork. Okay, in Upwork, I need to create a convincing profile because of the freelancer in the Upwork need to convince why you enter the platform, which is mean you need to submit a profile, a complete profile, and then they will review, and after that your profile will be verification. For my experience, Upwork is the best platform and it's most secure one. It's because when you have get your profile verification and then you will given 15 connects, which is you need to search a job within the limitation of connects that been given by the Upwork. Okay, and Upwork is also the most safe for freelancer because they have rules that regulation to protect the freelancer from the fraud or maybe from the scammer. Okay, moving on with the People Per Hour crowdsourcing platform. It is online community that helps company to find jobs seekers in all around the world. It also same like the other crowdsourcing platform, which is we need to complete our profile, we need to submit our proposal before we bid for a job or a project from employer. Okay, I proceed with the Guru platform. Guru platform is also the same like the other crowdsourcing platform that I mentioned earlier. The same, you have to register your profile after you complete, and then you can bid for a job, and also you can bid for any project that you want according to your skills, and you must also read the requirement of the employer before you submitted any proposal to avoid any fraud cases or scammer. Okay, lastly, LinkedIn. I created LinkedIn account same like the other crowdsourcing platform. Mostly in Malaysia, hiring employer, which is recruiter, HR manager, based on LinkedIn platform. I find it's very useful to use LinkedIn as my future reference to find a job or maybe to secure permanent project in the future. Okay, number of bids of semester that I bid is 50 jobs in the 5 crowdsourcing platform. Out of 50, I bid 38 project and 5 contents in the freelancer crowdsourcing platform, 3 jobs in Upwork, 3 in Guru, and 1 in a People Per Hour website. However, I didn't manage to submit any proposal in LinkedIn or bid any job in that site. I also attached the bid log summary in Excel in the infographic that I will attach today. Okay, for SWOT analysis, because I didn't succeed to secure any job, to win any contest or awarded with a project, So I develop SWOT analysis to recognize my strengths, weaknesses, opportunity, and also threat. Okay, moving on. First with the strength, I offer low payment. I am willing to work in any time. I very flexible person and I can finish the work that given to me within the deadline that me and my employer agree together. For my weakness, I'm very weak in communication and negotiating skills from employee that because we have a different language barriers, we can maybe with a different time that may I lost a job, and I very lack in a particular skills because I'm major in writing, so mostly I beat my job in a writing skills. Okay, for the opportunity, I can get experience working with people from all around the world. I can learn about language, I can learn about culture, and I can learn about how to negotiate with the employer that have different work ethics from me in Malaysia. And I can get exposure in terms of recommendation from my past jobs or from my previous job, so they can know how I work and how can I do my job properly or not. And I can also polish my current skills. And for the threat, I have tight competition among the other professional freelancer. I may be exposed to the scammer because I'm a new in this field, and also I can get fraud. I can get scam. I can maybe exposed to the scammer, and also fraud employer maybe exists in this site. So that's all from me. Thank you.